Good day. Today we're going to learn how to create an event based on a monitor situation within MainView SRM. So events can be created from any function, whether it's uh, allocation, reporting, uh, or automation. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually demonstrate how to create an event from an automation solution. And we're going to use the auto pool function. So let's go to our automation, our function list. So we're going to go to ADFUNC. We're going to edit our rule for auto pool, and we're going to find an event ID. So I've already created a monitor to monitor particular storage groups and pools based on a percent usage. And the event ID that I'm going to create is PL001. Now, event IDs can be no more than 5 characters, and they cannot start with the letter I. It can be just about any other set of characters, either alpha or numeric, but no more than 5, and cannot start with the letter I. So once we've defined an event ID for this particular solution in auto pool, when one of these thresholds is met or exceeded, this event ID will get created, and there's information about this event ID that's defined in our SM event member within SRM that will determine what type of message will be displayed on the console, and some other information. So let's go take a look at the event member. So we're going to go over to ADMEMA, which is our administrative active members list, and we're going to uh, go look at this event. So do a find on PL001. Here's our event ID. Uh, we're actually going to send this particular event to auto operator. The destination is AO for auto operator. SRM has a hook into AO based on some global definitions and can communicate directly to AO as an external resource. The event header is going to be no. We're going to strip some event header information such as the LPAR it came from, the function that created it, maybe a timestamp, some other information that's associated with this event. We're going to strip that because it's really not that important, because storage groups are shared within the Plex. I don't really need to determine where it was generated from, or that it was generated from auto pool, because I know this is a storage group event and it comes from the automation pool function. All right. The mode is active, so it does need to be active so that we can generate the event, send it somewhere. The other destinations that are available are syslog or TSO. So I can send it directly to the syslog if you do not have the auto operator solution, and then another automation engine can pick it up, or I can send it as a TSO message, send through the TSO messaging facility. The override is no, so I'm not going to actually change anything about the event, and my severity is W. So, as I said, the event ID can be no more than 5 characters, because we're going to place a prefix of SVW on the front of this event ID. So the message ID that will actually be displayed is SVWPL001W. All right. And then I'm going to do some text messaging. So I'm going to supply some text into this uh, event. So I'm going to say, hey, the pool, and then the pool name is at this percent full, and it's this many contiguous tracks. All right. So when that event is triggered based on that threshold, it's going to go over to AO. So let's go look at AO real quick. I'm going to go over into AO 8.1, which is a list of all of my uh, events, whether they're a message or a WTO or command, or it came from DB2 or from CSCS or some other MainView or some other ZOS resource. And like I said, these are external events or types. So if I type in ext, I'm going to get all of my external events, which are always from MainView SRM. Here's my message ID, my text ID string. It is SVWPL001W. Pool system is 78% full and that many contiguous tracks. So I'm in good shape. And this is how you would create an event. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.